Big news in the hip-hop world, rapper Max B has just been released from prison and he's wasting no time getting back to work. Today, we've got exclusive footage of French Montana and Max B together in the studio, possibly collaborating on a brand new Max B track. Fans have been waiting years for this moment, and the energy in the studio is electric. French Montana, who's always supported Max B throughout his legal battles, looks genuinely excited to be working alongside his longtime friend. With Max B's signature style and French Montana's hit-making abilities, this could be the start of something major for both artists. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow their journey back to the top of the charts.
Our fucking brothers is back together!
I wasn't dead. Yeah, they finally did it.